hike, we finally arrived here at the Mother Falls. It's cold water and it's refreshing as well. So we're enjoying it. We didn't even know that we have to hike for at least 30 to 40 minutes for us to visit that Mother Falls. We didn't know that, and I'm not also familiar into this place. It's the first time that I've visited this place. But anyway, we enjoyed the falls. We enjoyed the Mother Falls, and it's a cold water, but we had some fun there. So try to visit. Invite your friends, invite your family that loves to hike, and it's all worth it. Sadly, we really wanted to continue enjoying that falls, but we have to go home. We have a 3 hours road trip again back to Cabanatuan City. So we're about to go home now after 30 minutes, you know, trekking. We have to go home. So how was it? How was the Mother Falls?
Oh, it's my first time to go in like that falls. It's like a signal number 4. No typhoon.
Like a storm. Yeah.
Oh.
How about you, Rain? How was it?
Exciting and very tired.
But it's all worth it, right?
I hope next time we come back here, the road is still the road.
No, because it's a rough road, so we have to